In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix any game that can't launch on Epic Games. First thing you want to try is to run Epic Games in administrator mode. You can do this by just right-clicking and then go to Properties. In compatibility mode, you want to make sure you click Run this program in compatibility mode, disable full screen optimization, and run this program as an administrator. So you'd click Apply and OK, and the next time you run the game, you run Epic Games, you will be able to run it in compatibility mode and in as an administrator. Now, see if this fixes your issue. If you're still having issues, so your next method is to open Epic Games, and here you want to find your game. So I'll show, for example, for GTA 5. So here's GTA 5. And what you would do is just click on the three dots below the game, and then you would go to manage and make sure launch options are turned off. So this might be the issue, so just make sure launch options are turned off, because you want to make sure that the game loads with the anti-cheat or whatever software they're trying to run. And after you do this, you want to see if this fixes your issue. Try to run the game. If you're still having issues, you want to go here, click manage, and verify the files. So sometimes verifying the files could fix your issue, so make sure you always verify the files. So if this doesn't work, then I recommend typing CMD and then right click run as administrator, and just scan for any corrupt folders on your computer. Just type in sfc/scan now, and this will scan for any corrupted folders, and this will fix them. After this, you can just try to restart your computer, and hopefully this fixes your issue.